How to turn on or turn off Gboard Predictive Content Search on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on General Management. After that, go down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on Gboard. Now scroll down and then tap on Emojis, Stickers, and GIFs. In here we go down and tap on Predictive Content Search. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Predictive Content Search. When this is turned on, the keyboard can suggest content to browse, such as GIF, emoji, and sticker. Finally, tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. Put in cake, and show a list of content in emojis such as cake that I could use. And then card, if I put in card, then it shows card here, playing card, card of heart. So I've got the heart there. And that's it. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching.